Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. As you can see, today's video is going to be a great big old Aldi food haul with the prices. We did a massive shop this morning, so I thought I would show you today because it is a super big shop. Any meals that I've made via vlogs or on my vlogs or anything that I mentioned today, I will link down below. Yes, today's video is an Aldi food haul with the prices. I hope you're excited for some meal inspiration, for some affordable, nutritious but delicious meals. Let's get into today's video. If you're not already, feel free to subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this kind of video, and let's just go. So meal plan today, I'm going to write it down in the description box down below. Okay, so starting here, we've got 2 boxes of multigrain hoops from Aldi. These are absolutely delicious. I am obsessed with them. I love the honey hoops from Aldi as well, but I have to say the multigrain hoops are actually nicer. They're a little bit bigger with a bit of better texture. I prefer these to Cheerios and they're much more affordable. 85p for a box, which is really good because one box lasts us 1 week. 2 boxes for the next 2 weeks. I have 2 new oat milk, unsweetened or no added sugar. These are 79p, so more affordable than like the branded alternatives, but they're absolutely brilliant. I always buy them from Aldi or actually Lidl. The Lidl organic oat milks are great. We have 2 avocados, are currently 79p. I've noticed they change all the time price-wise in my Aldi. What I normally do with avocado is just add a little bit onto my salads every time I have a salad, like half at a time. For 59p each, we've got 2 bags of strong white bread flour. These make about 3 loaves per pack. Lawrence worked it out, it's something like 20p a loaf, and he makes gorgeous, like crusty loaves, like delicious bread. And we tend to make a new loaf every other day, and that's how long it lasts, or every 2 days on like the 3rd day. 2 bags of wild rocket, 79p each. We will just throw rocket on most dinners, but generally a jacket potato dinner. But we are going to be having cod, like a bay seasoned cod this week. I'm quite excited. One of my American followers actually told me she does that with her cod, and we've decided to copy her recipe. So we're going to be having cod and salad this week. 2 tubs of hummus. We normally just have these for lunches, so pitta and hummus for lunches. The hummus from Aldi is really nice and it tastes exactly the same as M&S hummus, I'm not joking. 69p per pot. Bag of frozen peas or petit pois. These are such delicious peas from Aldi. We always have a bag of these in the freezer and we put them on most dinners because peas are so easy. But what we tend to do is stir peas through our rice when we have chicken and rice. So good. I actually can't have rice without peas anymore. Just not the same. 89p for that bag. Yeah, delish. Actually, I'm going to put them in the freezer. So a bunch of bananas, £1.04. There was actually 9 bananas on here, but I ate 2 already. We have a pot of guacamole, just because I fancied it, with some crisps. We have a bag of radish. If you want, if you make salad quite often and you like some crunch in your salad, radish is perfect. It's got a really nice fresh bite to it. I can't even explain the taste, but it's really delicious and very lovely just thrown in a salad if you want like a nice fresh crunch. A punnet of plum tomatoes for our omelettes mainly, but also just on the side of our salad and in our wraps. Actually, yeah, these go in loads of dinners. 85p for that punnet. A bag of unwaxed lemons. We're going to be having pancakes this week, and we always love to have lemon and sugar pancakes. 58p, and they're large, but we also have lemon in our drink all the time. We've got a bag of sweet pears. I love snacking on pears at the moment. We have a punnet of chestnut mushrooms. We cut these up and put them in our omelette. But also we're going to be having fajitas this week, and mushrooms in fajita is delicious, especially if you have vegetarian fajitas, if you want them. Oh, for 79p I picked up some flaxseed. Aldi goes through phases. Sometimes it sells flaxseed, sometimes it doesn't. But when I do see it, I do pick it up because flaxseed is amazing, like so many health benefits. and you can add it in loads of things. So we tend to put quite a bit of flaxseed in our flapjacks. I will leave my flapjack recipe below. I love how so many of you are making them. And also flaxseed in our loaves of bread. They've got loads of omegas in them, so they're good for you, especially that I'm breastfeeding. I try to get as much of that as possible. We have the 43p iceberg lettuce. That will last us a good week or two. That will be going into our salad wraps. That's all we use it for. We've got 2 of these, which we've been really enjoying as like a real treat dinner, like a kind of weekend, like back to childhood style dinner. These are the southern fried chicken fillet tenders. They're so good, honestly, with chips and beans. I know it's just like a guilty pleasure of ours. We have it like on a weekend, you know, nice weekend in front of the TV. So yeah, we've been enjoying that recently. For 89p, I picked up the Cavanagh's organic porridge oats. This is for our breakfast, but also for my homemade flapjacks, linked below. They are super delicious. We've also got 2 of these, 2 packs of the Village Bakery super soft seeded wraps. All their wraps are delicious. They've got Mediterranean white and seeded. 85p each, the best pita breads in the world. Honestly, I go on about these all the time. These pita breads from Aldi, you have to get. You will never get another pita bread in your life because they're so good. They're so much better than most other pita breads I've bought. So we've got 85p per pack. We've got the wholemeal ones, so 6 in each pack, and we've got the Mediterranean white ones. If we don't have cheese wraps one day, we'll have cheese and salad pittas, or toasted and dipped in hummus. They're just great to have in the house. But 1 pack we'll put in the freezer and open next week, if not the week after. We have some broccoli. We've been really enjoying putting broccoli in our omelettes because it's a really easy way to eat your greens. There's a little fly, it's annoying. It's a really easy way to eat your greens. It's just really nice actually. And we also have some green beans. £1.49 for these beans. Sometimes they're on offer, sometimes they're not. They weren't today. Some of the best crisps in the world. If you know, you know. Aldi sea salt and Chardonnay vinegar. So those are my favourite flavour, but our second favourite flavour... Oh no, he got the wrong ones. Oh, he picked up the Crinkle beef and horseradish crisps. These are actually really nice. They are delicious. But the other best ones from Aldi at the moment are these, but they are the chili and cream flavour. Anyway, that sounds weird, but they are delicious. I highly recommend them. So then we have 2 packs of honey roast ham. So Lawrence will throw these in his wraps, his pittas, his omelettes. He's been getting them for a long time and he's quite fussy with that kind of thing. So they must be good. They're £1.79 per pack. Another 2 of these. These are the no chicken tikka pieces. So I vlogged with these the other day. I'll link the vlog below. And we made like vegan kebab wraps. They were so good. They were so good. And we've been thinking about them ever since. I would normally pick up the Vivera Greek shawarma pieces, whether you're vegetarian, vegan or not. I really recommend them. They are delicious if you dry fry them with garlic. But they're much more expensive. They're like £2.50 a pack. And these, how much are these? Yeah, they're £1.79 for a pack. So there's a bit of a price difference, and we do mainly shop in Aldi. We only pop to Tesco every now and then. So they're fantastic with some tzatziki sauce, which we actually picked up from Aldi as well a few weeks ago. And like onion or cabbage, red cabbage, radish, just any kind of salad, tomatoes. Throw into a wrap with those once they've been fried with like garlic powder and a bit of spice. A bag of British carrots. Again, carrots we tend to be honest, I always snack on carrots. I really love crunchy snacks because they're very satisfying. And then any leftover carrots we normally shred actually with some lemon juice and put them in our wraps. Carrot and lemon juice, there's just something delicious about it. Big bag of Maris Pipers. We always need potatoes. I think we're going to have mashed potato with our dinner tonight. A bag of British brown onions. The onions are 62p, £1.15 for this bag of potatoes. Then for 15p each, we picked up 4 jacket potatoes because we'll no doubt have a jacket potato dinner this week and then a jacket potato dinner next week. I will be telling you the total of our meal in a bit. These are kind of dinners. We're going to be having fajitas. So we bought this fajita pack, which is the smoky barbecue. Just a little top tip from me. Smoky barbecue does have like quite a bit of spice to it. I don't find it not spicy. So we're either going to have vegetarian fajitas or chicken fajitas. It really depends. Chop up some mushrooms, we'll chop up some tomatoes, some onions, and we bake them with some fajita mix and some other spices and some tinned tomatoes. It's like taking a fajita level up a notch. So fajita pack from Aldi is how much? Is that the branded one, Inspired Cuisine? I don't know. I don't think it is, but wrap kit, 79p. That is a very, very good price, isn't it? So these pastas that we're going to be having for dinner, we make both packs and then we save half each for lunch the next day. They are so flipping good. So I always get the sun-dried and tomato mezzolini pasta, or it's like kind of like ravioli. Fresh pasta, it's so good. So we've got 2 packs of those pasta, and then he'll make a mascarpone sauce. So essentially a pot of mascarpone goes in there. Sun-dried tomatoes will go in there, some garlic and some onions. And that is literally it in terms of the mascarpone sauce, and it's so good. I really recommend it. That'll be a nice, easy but delicious dinner. We picked up a new bag of pasta. We're going to be making macaroni cheese for my sister and brother-in-law this week. We've got, oh yeah, I had to go to Tesco to pick up these red split lentils. Lawrence will be making a huge dhal this week. It's one of my favourite things to eat, especially when it comes to autumn and winter, and everybody's talking about autumn at the moment, so I'm kind of craving autumn food. But lentil dhal is really, really delicious, but also very, very good for you and very filling. And like, I'm really satisfied. I think a dhal for me is one of my like comforting meals. Like if I'm ever ill or upset or really tired, I either go for like beans on toast or a dhal. It's such a comforting meal to me. Big block of extra mature, specially selected cheddar, bag of mozzarella. This is going to be, 2 bags of mozzarella. One will go into our macaroni cheese dish. Bag of light brown soft sugar. Light brown sugar. Yeah, light brown sugar. 69p for the light brown sugar. We've got some Professor Peppy. 42p for that. That is a good price. 42p for a big bottle of Professor Peppy. I have never tried it. If you'd like to know my thoughts, comment down below and I'll let you know, because by the time this goes live I would have tried it. But yeah, it's the Dr. Pepper dupe. I just love Aldi. I just love how committed to living life on the edge they are. 2 blocks of the best butter in the world. If you like salty butter, this one from Aldi, the West Country butter, is so good. We went to Devon a few weeks ago and this is where the butter's from. Obviously, West Country. This is the cod, so 2 bits of cod. Haven't actually ever tried cod from Aldi, so I might vlog when we do that dinner. £3.79, so that's not too bad to be fair. Lawrence and I have a little treat each. Lawrence has gone for the Mossa Roth ginger and mandarin chocolate organic. That does sound nice, but I'm not sure about the ginger in chocolate. And I've gone for the organic caramel sea salt chocolate. So 2 bars that look very delicious, just a little treat to ourselves this week. Some Kinder Surprise eggs, 3 in a box. Those are just for the cupboard when we have little people in and out of the home, nieces, nephews. Kinder Surprise is £1.89, and the Mossa Roth chocolate, I think it's like £1.79, but I honestly can't see it on this receipt. It will be there somewhere, but my eyes are just playing tricks on me now because lack of sleep with an 11-week-old baby. So we've got some nappies. Now, I don't know if you're following my parenting journey or my motherhood journey, but I do actually have a lot of cloth nappies that I'm going to start using. But at the moment, his clothes aren't big enough, because when you wear cloth nappies, that's a big body, I tell you that for nothing. But the clothes aren't fitting around the cloth nappies. So we're currently using these still. These are the Mamia newborn nappies size 2. They are great. I much preferred the size 1 nappies. The size 2 ones, we have some leakages. We've got some Porcelain pockets. These are obviously for the cats. Oh, I don't need to tell you stuff like that, do I? We've got some beans. A pack of 4 works out better value for your money. A pack of 4 beans from Aldi. And do you know what? I cannot actually tell you the last time we bought Heinz branded beans. I actually can't tell you, because ever since we started the Aldi shopping / Aldi taste tests, we've been in love with Aldi beans. £1.19. Lawrence treated himself to some Coca-Cola dupes from Aldi. We've not actually tried them, so I hope he likes them. Oh, just squish the cod. 2 punnets of eggs. We always get the organic eggs from Aldi. Can't beat them. More biscuit spread, crunchy biscuit spread. I'm not gonna lie, this is what happened the second we got home. I opened it and took a spoonful. Just can't not. Oh my gosh, I just smelt it. It's unreal. By the way, the crunchy one is lovely, delicious, and the smooth one. I'll be baking with these, but also we've started making homemade milkshakes, and I make homemade Biscoff milkshake. Would you like me to vlog it one day? Because I mean, you won't thank me when I do, because they are slightly addictive. Bread biscuit, £1.79 per tub, and then the ice cream we get for the milkshakes is here. So we picked up 2 of these real dairy traditional ice cream 1 litre pots made in the UK. Let me just put these in the freezer. And for £1.19 some more yeast for our bread making at home. Things like making bread. Oh, and also with our potatoes we'll be making our own homemade chips for our chips beans type dinners. But things like making your own bread, making your own chips work out a little bit better in the long run. And also our lentil dinner and lunches, those things like really save us money. So altogether our shop came to £81.34, and that's going to last 10 days to 2 weeks. For 2 adults, one of them breastfeeding a baby, and some stuff for the baby, it's really not a bad price. I personally have noticed that Aldi prices are going up just a wee bit, not too much, just a little bit. Maybe it's to do with Brexit, who knows? And I know a lot of people are unhappy about that online, but I still feel like I can get a really, really decent amount of food with lots of fruits and veggies in there for a very good price. Just bearing in mind, a few of our dinners are chicken based, and the chicken we buy separately. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking now and put all of this away. I hope you guys are doing really, really well. You're enjoying the end of the summer as much as you can. I'll see you all again really, really soon, and love you very much. Mwah. Bye.